G'day, I'm Jason Hodges, and this here is Hudson Stone, one of the most popular products you will ever see in the garden, and for good reason. They look fantastic, but all the thinking's been done for you, so they're dead easy to work with. Now this here is Sunstone, that's the colour. They also come in oatmeal and charcoal, so there's a colour to match every style of garden and every style of house. Now the Smartness is this little lug on the back, so all you do, slide it into position and it can't go anywhere else. Concentrate on that stretcher bond pattern and that'll give you even more strength. 3 courses high is the maximum, but it's amazing what you can do with it. If you want to raise garden beds so you can plant some veggies in some beautiful rich soil, well this is perfect for it. So you might have a beautiful little retaining wall and feed the family at the same time. So next time you're at the landscape supply yard, look for Hudson Stone.